Hello everybody!
Hey, adventurous souls! We're gonna have fun today. We're gonna show you West Palm Beach, downtown West Palm Beach. So where did we start today?
Okay, we exited I-95, Okeechobee Boulevard, and then we went to the east, and then we find out the parking Hibiscus.
Which is the perfect parking because you arrived just at Rosemary Square. So before we show you everything, make sure you like and subscribe and click the notification bell to stay informed from all the videos we share with you. So at Rosemary Square, you see here we have the Harriet Himmel theater, very famous theater. So when you come here, you can also watch the theater. Just other side of the theater, guess what? Is the AMC, which is the cinema. So we always love to go to the cinema halls and after that have a nice bite. You like improv? Next to the cinema hall is the Improv theater. And look who's coming there, Russell Peters. I'm gonna watch him. So you'll never be bored here. At night it's so beautiful here, all the trees with lights, so and there's often live music as well, so a place to go. So if you want to do some cooking classes or buy the best equipment for your kitchen, go to Centennial, cooking classes, come and cook with us. So, next to Rosemary Square is Rosemary Avenue, and you can see this avenue goes all the way that way, and it's gorgeous. It has beautiful stores like Tommy Bahama and some other stores like H&M.
And it's really beautiful and,
yes.
And a lot of green.
A lot of green. I love the trees, I love the decoration, it's gorgeous. Now if you're hungry at this point, make sure to go to the Cheesecake Factory because it has amazing burgers but also amazing cheesecakes. And if you are bringing a picnic around here, there are great benches at the fountain. So if you want to take a picnic, you can just sit on these benches and enjoy this gorgeous fountain. After Rosemary Square, you just go straight for 6 blocks and then to the right, and then you arrive at Clematis Street. So this is the speed train station coming from Orlando and Miami. So if you want to visit West Palm Beach from any of those cities, this is just 1 block from Clematis Street. So we came from here, Rosemary Square, we walked here and then we went here. This is Brightline and here is Clematis Street. And we're gonna go to the waterfront, we're gonna watch the docks, amphitheater and so much more. The time is always right to do what's right. Martin Luther King. Nobody is free until everybody is free. So we are in the middle of Clematis Street. You can also park at Clematis Street. And that's just next to the Brightline.
And there's a lot of restaurants, right?
Yes.
Eating out.
Yes, it's lovely to go
I think it's
here.
because today is a Tuesday.
Yes.
So it's quieter.
Yes, that's right. But you know, if you want to see the best restaurants, come here. great if you don't have a car and you want to make a tour on to West Palm Beach. So the third Sunday that we went there. So we are here on the corner of Rosemary Avenue and Clematis Street. And behind me this is gorgeous art piece. It's called the Sphere.
And as well, this is the parking. Clematis Street parking.
So we are here on the corner of Clematis Street and all of Street. As you can see, here start the main restaurants. So far we have seen 3 sushi restaurants. We have seen, what else we have seen? Do you remember?
The Vietnamese one?
Vietnamese, oh yeah. Vietnamese street food, also great. And then here, there is a Roxy pub. And then here is Duffys Sport Grill, which is famous and wonderful for great burgers. And there the famous Rocco's Tacos. Taco.
Show me the love.
Hey, this is the end of Clematis Street on the east side. What we found here in the corner is Dramaworks. If you love drama. So we are here on the corner of North Narcissus Avenue and Clematis Street. We are in between Clematis Street and the coastal. Look at the beautiful benches here. You can take a picnic. And the most wonderful thing is, we are here at the Gram Square, Centennial Gram Square, and there's where always the live concerts take place. So you wanna enjoy this. If you come early on the day, look what you can do. Paddling, water sports, bikes, kayaks, paddleboards, snorkeling, food tours, wave runners. Just go to visit palmbeach.com.
Show me the love. Show me the love. Show me the love. Come show me the love. Show me the love. Show me the love.
places where we go to eat, where we travel in Florida or outside of Florida. You want to know more about our love story, make sure you subscribe to this channel, like and click the notification bell so next time you know exactly when we have a new video coming out.
Yes. Take care.
Take care.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.